Okay, moving on. Cotinine is a chemical that is made by the blood from nicotine, which is found in cigarette smoke. A doctor tested the blood of 12 patients who claimed to smoke 1 packet of cigarettes per day for cotinine. The results are shown below. The lower quartile of these data is 170 nanograms per milliliter. Find the upper quartile. Okay, so straight away we can see that this data is not in order. It does need to be put in order before we can go ahead and find any quartiles. Okay, so here's all the values in order. The lower quartile is 170. To find the lower quartile, just to confirm, we would have done Q1 equals n plus 1 over 4, which is 13 over 4, to 3.25, meaning I'm going to look in between the third and the fourth value, exactly in between the third and the fourth, and we can see it's these two values that I'm going to look for the middle of. The very middle of those is 170. Okay, that gives me a confidence we're on the right track. Looking for the upper quartile. Three lots of n plus 1 over 4, and that is going to give me the 9.75th, so I know to look right in between the 9th and the 10th. Could potentially have seen this from symmetry as well, so I'm looking for the value right in the middle of these. And that value is 254. Okay, so found the upper quartile. Okay, a doctor suspects that some of his patients have been smoking more than 1 packet of cigarettes per day. He decides to use our formula Q3 plus 1.5 interquartile range to determine if any of the cotinine results are far away enough from the upper quartile to be considered as outliers. Identify which patients the doctor suspects may have been smoking more than 1 packet of cigarettes per day on this basis. Show you're working out clearly. Okay, so let's go ahead and find that upper outlier boundary. So we're going to use Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. Okay, Q3 we found 254 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. The interquartile range is going to be 254 minus 170. Okay, and let's put this all into the calculator to find the upper outlier boundary. And we get 380. Okay, so any of these patients who are above 380 nanograms per milliliter, we would assume may well be outliers. And I do have 2 of them that are above there. Let's identify which patients they are. So we're looking at patient F and we're looking at patient B. All right, so those are the ones who we might assume are smoking more than 1 packet of cigarettes per day. So to finish this off, patients B and F are outliers. And could have been smoking more than 1 packet per day.